This is the current situation at the Faith View nursing home. The nursing home is absolutely flooded. There is a pond behind the nursing home. It's absolutely flooded. You can see that we are navigating our way through the waters. Faith View Nursing Home in Clarks Avenue, Yorton, St. Catherine. My name is Dean Reed, and we are doing everything in our powers to try and to rescue the people from the current situation that is facing them at the Faith View Nursing Home. All help is needed at this moment. All hands are needed on deck to help these indigent folks who are unable to help themselves. So this is in Yorton, Clarks Avenue, St. Catherine. So we are at the moment transporting their stuff to the church facilities, at which I am the pastor, and we are going to move all of these folks to that facility because they need urgent help. Urgent assistance is needed for the Faith View Nursing Home in Yorton, St. Catherine. There's a pond to the back of the property that has overflown its banks. So you can see the pond to the very back of the property that have overflown its banks, and it's wreaking havoc on the citizens of the Faith View Nursing Home in Yorton. I am Pastor Dean Reed, and we are crying out for help for the members of this community. We are going to do all that we can in order to accommodate them at the church in Yorton in the interim. Again, I said this is a Faith View Nursing Home in Clarks Avenue, Yorton, St. Catherine. So we are working assiduously to get the friends out right now.
This right here is the kind of video where you're supposed to be inclined to want to share, right? Because this video needs to get to whosoever needs to see it so that people can jump in and help where help can be given. You understand? Because it is sad. It is a sad look to see, you know, all the little elderly people them just lay down upon the chair, and you understand, with nowhere to turn, right? Now, a video like this, as me say, is one that needs to be shared. So that is the way how you can help out right now. Share this video as much as you can share it so that it reaches to who needs to see it. You understand? Because the right set of people needs to see it. Seeing the golden age home flood out. Something need for change.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.